This review is of Nature Valley Packed Sustained Energy Bar, Peanut Butter, and Cranberry. It is GMO. Here are the nutrition facts. And this is where it says that it's GMO with the ingredients. Smells peanutty. And that's what it looks like. Pretty basic. Mostly I taste peanuts and the other things other than the cranberry, like the pumpkin seeds. I mostly just taste the cranberry as a sweetener. It doesn't come across that it's a cranberry very well at all. Yeah, the other flavors are just so strong that the cranberry flavor itself kind of disappears for the most part. Sure, it's good for energy, but so if you're looking for a peanutty kind of taste with some extra bursts of flavor from the cranberry, then this will be a good choice for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.